Very good morning to all of you. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Good. Fit and fine or only fine?
I'm fit and fine.
So that's good. Because you need to take care of your health very importantly. Because I got a message from the parents that you people are only sitting in front of the laptops and not doing any physical activity. So all of you, please take care of your health because it is very important these days when you are uh, just sitting in front of the laptops for long hours. So that will put pressure on your spine also, put pressure on your eyes also, and your body will feel discomfort also. Okay, so you know that we already have 5 minutes break in between the periods. So in those 5 minutes, you can easily just jump up. Okay, you can boost your energy. Just take a quick round of your house, or you can just stretch your body. You should stand up from your place wherever you are sitting. Okay, don't sit continuously for long hours in front of the laptop. You are starting your classes from 8:15, so from 8:15 to 11:10. Yes, Arush is doing. Arush, get up once. You should stand and then do the stretching. Okay, little bit, at least 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes are more than enough in between the periods. Okay, when the class is over, quickly you just get up and just stretch your body like this, and you can just stretch your arms, stretch your body up. Okay, you can just rub your hands like this and you can put it on your eyes, so that will relieve pressure on your eyes also, because it is only you have to take care of yourself. If you will be fine, if your body will be healthy, you will be perfectly fine, then only you will be able to do the homeworks and you'll be able to attend classes. So that we need to take care of ourselves. Okay, so these things, I know you all are mature, you are in 8th standard now, you all are grown-ups now, so you understand all these things, right? So you have to take care of yourself, because you know that very bad situation is there outside, so we cannot go outside, but we can stay at home and we can be fit and fine at home only. It is not like the way that we need to go to gym or we need to go to out for physical activity. At home also, if you make up your routine, you can be fit and fine. Okay, do exercise daily, do yoga and meditation. So many things are there which can be done, but at least in between those 5 minutes that we have in between the periods, that 5 minutes are, that's why the 5 minutes break is given in between. So just to relax you, so you just get up from your seat, stretch your body, just take a quick round of your house, relax your eyes, don't just continuously look into the laptop only. Okay, so these technological things which are there for us, though they are boon for us, but they can have negative impact also if not used properly. So it depends on you that how you want to live your life, and you want to be fine or you want to have any discomfort. Yeah. And then next thing is that we have completed the syllabus already. Okay, and practice assignment is also done. Now only your final this PT1 paper is left. Okay, so we will do the revision only now, because we otherwise we don't have anything to do. Syllabus is complete, but your part is left, because I know there must be students those who have not completed their work. Can you raise your hands, those who have still not completed their works? Honestly, let me know. Honestly, those who have not completed their work. Tushar Sharma. Tushar, you're always like this only. When will you improve? Okay, who
मैम
else?
वो लास्ट बस थोड़ा सा मैम, बाकी सारा कंप्लीट है.
Okay, chalo, that's good. I have sent you, yes, Yashpreet has sent to me, but I didn't ask. So I was waiting for the syllabus to complete. So today I will be asking now. 10 roll numbers every day. This week the checking work will be done. So if you have been thinking or waiting for something that we will complete in the coming time or, no, or something like that, so please gear up, because just wait. Yes. So this week only you have, I think your exams are beginning from 20th or 21. कब start हो रहे हैं?
मैम
मैम
22
मैम 22 को फर्स्ट है।
मैम
22
22
में 21 से
22 is
मैम 22 को फर्स्ट है।
22 is Saturday or Monday?
मैम सैटरडे है।
सैटरडे
Yes, Saturday. So
Saturday.
we have 4 days left. So 4 days, 4 sections of 8th class. Today, which section will send the work? Red. We'll begin from red. Okay, so okay, red class, roll number 1 to 20 will send the work today of everything, whatever is done you in the notebook till now. Just click all the pics and make the PDF and send it to me. Okay, today you have, so today roll number 1 to 20 of red section only will send their works. Yesterday Mahip has sent, he has sent all the work, that's good. But today officially I will send message in the group that roll numbers 1 to 20 of red section will send their works. Okay, so please those who have not completed yet, please complete it. Parth, you are unmute, you want to speak anything?
No.
How are you?
No, good.
Good. Have you completed your work?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, I'll come to know.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, so which chapter you want me to revise? I was thinking from trade to territory. If anything else from the syllabus you want to ask, or if you have any doubt from anywhere, otherwise you can take out your history books. We will revise.
Excuse मैम।
I'll ask the questions. Yes, who? Yes, Arush.
मैम जो मैम जिससे मैम दलित आदिवासी के लिए मैम अब सीट्स छोड़ते हैं मैम थोड़ी थोड़ी पार्लियामेंट में। मैम मुझे मैम वो पूछना था क्यों छोड़ते हैं मैम उनके लिए भी सीट्स?
बिकॉज उनको भी तो हक है कुछ आगे बढ़ने का, उनको कोई हक नहीं है।
मैम इसको मैम
Actually ना they were marginalized much before. बहुत पहले टाइम से ही उनको ना बैकवर्ड क्लासेस को पीछे रखा जाता था. Means they were not allowed to participate in anything. They were not allowed to elect this contest the elections also. So nothing. They were nowhere at the forefront. Means they were not given any importance in any of the government formation or any of the activities which the people organize. So then slowly, that's why this reservation has been done for the Dalits and the backward classes, so that they should also get the opportunity to come at front. Okay, because you know they are the people which are not so rich, and they are marginalized, means they are considered backward. Earlier they were considered as untouchables also. उनको untouchables भी बोलते थे कि नहीं इनको तो इनके हाथ का पानी नहीं पीना, इनके घर नहीं जाना. So that has a very long history and bad history also. They have suffered a lot. उन्होंने बहुत कहा है, that section of the society, they have suffered a lot. But then when the slowly advancement came, and then the government also felt, because you know we have the right to equality. So if our constitution says that we have right to equality, that means it should be applicable to all. So if we are giving right to equality and then we are discriminating also on the basis of rich and poor, on the basis of caste, so then what is the use of right to equality? So that's why slowly when the amendments were done, so these groups which were marginalized, which were backward, they were brought forward, and they were given some fixed reservation in the legislation also, so that at least this much of number is fixed for them, so that they should also get opportunity to come up and express their views or to represent their community. So That's why then only we can say that right to equality is applicable to all.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम पहले तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा था कि जब सब कुछ एकदम मतलब सेटल हो जाएगा, सब सारे इक्वल हो जाएंगे, तो फिर मैम इस सिस्टम को बंद कर दिया जाएगा। तो मैम अभी तक बंद क्यों नहीं किया उन्होंने इस चीज
कहाँ पे
को?
लिखा था क्या ये which system needed to be closed?
मैम यही कि जो एससी जो होती है उनको सीट्स मिलती हैं, मैम ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती कि जनरल कास्ट के जो लोग होते हैं वो जब उनको सफर करते हैं इस बात के कारण कई बारी।
Oh, see, actually the problem is there, no doubt. Even I agree with you that there should not be reservation. It should only be on the talent basis, है ना, कि capability के basis पे selections होने चाहिए. There should be no reservation. But then they thought at that time उनको ये लगता था कि जो general category है, that is only capable. Okay, that means they were only capable and they were taking the seats everywhere, they were everywhere, but this group is not they were not given proper education. And earlier it was like that, the scene was different when you go to the previous times, but now the situation has changed. अभी ये जो backward classes है, scheduled caste, dalits वगैरह, they are now capable enough, they are earning good and they are getting good education, everything they are means at par with the general category. Now they are misusing actually this reservation. So many petitions have been filed in the Supreme Court to remove the reservation in the areas where it is not required, but still, you know, on these things, so many riots and violence already had happened, क्योंकि जो कम्युनिटीज हैं देन दे फाइट, वो आ जाती है कि नहीं हमारी जो रिजर्वेशन है वो रहेगी रहेगी. सो स्टिल यू कैन से द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स आर देयर ऑन दीज टॉपिक्स, दो इट इज नॉट गुड. इवन आई अग्री विद यू, मुझे भी नहीं मींस नहीं अच्छा लगता है. सो दैट इज नॉट गुड बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट इज द थिंग कि कोई अगर सी फॉर एग्जांपल वन सीट, आप आईएएस का एग्जांपल ले लो, आईएएस में भी रिजर्वेशंस हैं. सो इफ आईएएस में भी रिजर्वेशंस हैं, उसमें भी वन पर्सन हु इज गेटिंग 90% एंड ही इज फ्रॉम द जनरल कैटेगरी, बट द अदर पर्सन हु इज फ्रॉम द एससी and he is getting only 65%. So then who is more capable? You yourself think. So that is why the system of India is so corrupt and it is not so efficient, because these people who have taken the seats, they have taken on the basis of reservation. कि 65% वाले को आप IAS की पोस्ट दे रहे हो just because he is reserved for that seat. What about the person जनरल कैटेगरी का 95% लेके बेचारा इतनी मेहनत करके वो आगे आया, उसको कुछ भी नहीं. So that's why that there we are lacking, no. वही पे तो हम मार खाते हैं इंडियंस. You see now in the government offices, government organization में कहीं भी चले जाओ, वहां पे वो क्या करते हैं, वो ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं, they are just doing time pass over there, गप्पे मारते हैं, खाना खुना लंच करके आ जाते हैं. Have you ever seen them doing working so efficiently as you see people working in private organizations? प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में उनकी मींस उनको निचोड़ के रखते हैं पूरा, जो उनके एम्प्लॉयज होते हैं. एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स दे आर जस्ट, दे डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. उनको पता है कि हमारी सैलरी तो आई जानी है वेदर वी डू द वर्क और नॉट. So there we are lacking. This is the system which needs improvement. So for that, so many petitions already had been filed in the Supreme Court. Still, people are fighting for there should be no reservation. But still, these communities have been so strong now. अभी इतनी strong हो गई हैं communities, ये इकट्ठी हो जाती हैं and they start protesting. ये दंगे फसाद करने शुरू कर देते हैं कि हम ये नहीं करेंगे, हम वोट नहीं देंगे, ये नहीं करेंगे, वो नहीं करेंगे. So many things are there which government has to see. So all these things are there. What can we do? This is the pity situation of India. Anything else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मेरे को हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर में क्वेश्चन था मैम, क्लेम टू पैरामाउंटली एक बार समझा दो.
Yes. Claim to paramountly means you are claiming yourself to be supreme. Okay. So there was one point, there was one time in the Indian history when these you say that what was the time then? Yes. So they were one by one, what they were doing, Britishers one by one, they were annexing the territories. एक के बाद एक वो इतने powerful rulers को हराते जा रहे थे और उनकी जो territories थी, they were keep on conquering them. So when you also just feel when you if you're playing any game, you just take the example of a game. If you're playing any game and you are winning each and every round, each and every round you're winning, then how do you feel then? You feel you are the best, nobody is better than you. You feel that kind, no? So same thing Britishers also started feeling when they were one by one, they were annexing the territories. वो जाते थे, your war, they used to have wars and then they won and then they acquired the territory. So one by one, victory over victory made them feel so proud that they claimed themselves to be of paramount. Paramount means to be of the supreme power. So they said, they claimed themselves that they are of the supreme power कि हमसे ऊपर तो कोई है ही नहीं. So that was the claim to paramountcy. Okay, it is written here that now the company claimed that its authority was paramount or supreme. Hence its power was greater than that of Indian states. Obviously उनको ऐसा लगेगा जब एक के बाद एक इंडियन स्टेट्स को वो हराते जाएंगे, जीतते जाएंगे, तो उनको ये लगेगा कि हमारी पावर ज्यादा है and we are more powerful than the Indian states. Okay, so that was the claim to paramountcy, means claiming yourself to be of supreme power. That is the thing. Anything else?
एक्चुअली
मैम
मैम अगर हम
मैम
मैम क्वेश्चन आया
Yes.
मैम जो मैम डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी है मैम, जो चैप्टर नंबर 1 में है मैम, जो सिविक्स में मैम, वो क्या था मैम? मैम समझा दोगे मैम? डीपीएसपी
Chapter
डायरेक्टिव
number
प्रिंसिपल्स
1, which chapter? I think we
मैम,
have
द
not
इंडियन
covered.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन.
इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स तो है ही नहीं, उसमें तो राइट्स हैं.
मैम लिखा है मैम, इन एडिशन टू फंडामेंटल राइट्स द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आल्सो हैज अ सेक्शन कॉल्ड डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी.
Directive principles are something else that is not in details in your syllabus. That you will study. You have you not studied in 7th? तो फिर आपको और आएंगे 9 next class में आएंगे 9th में. Directive
ओके मैम.
principles of state policy. Now no need to worry. Nothing will come out of it. Only you need to know rights. Directive policies is the now second level which you will read in 9th standard. Yes.
एक्चुअली मैम 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 अगर मैम हमें आया क्वेश्चन के हाउ इज द नेशनल गवर्नमेंट इलेक्टेड, तो मैम हम उसमें एमपीज के इलेक्ट होने का लिखेंगे कि मैम वो लिस्ट वाला लिखेंगे कि जिससे प्राइम मिनिस्टर इलेक्ट होता है?
एमपीस वाला भी लिखोगे और वो भी लिखोगे पूरा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट ना कि पहले जो कितनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज हैं. So from each constituencies MLAs are elected. Okay, then that MLAs forms the MPs, and then the party which has the most number of MPs, जिसके ज्यादा number of MPs होते हैं, that forms the ruling party. ठीक है, फिर रूलिंग पार्टी अपने में डिस्कस करके वो डिसाइड करती है that who will be the prime minister. Very simple. Okay. So shall I ask you questions now?
Yes.
Okay, from trade to territory, who was the last powerful Mughal ruler? Yashpreet.
Ma'am, Aurangzeb.
Yes. Okay. And when did Aurangzeb die? Rabnoor. When did Aurangzeb die? Okay.
मैम
Yes, Sahaj, wait.
Ma'am.
Okay, Sahaj, you tell. You're not able
मैम
to answer.
1700 मैम 1707.
7. Okay. So
Oh, yes.
all these are important. Aurangzeb was the last Mughal ruler and he died in 1707. So then, what happened after the death of Aurangzeb? What was the situation of Mughal governors and big zamindars? What did they do after the death of Aurangzeb? क्या करना शुरू कर दिया उन्होंने? Because earlier they were scared of Aurangzeb, but then when Aurangzeb died, so then what did they do? Yes, Arush. It is written there. I'm just asking from the book only. First paragraph. क्या करना शुरू कर दिया उन्होंने?
Ma'am, they starting annexing the Aurangzeb provinces.
Yes, they began asserting their authority and establishing regional kingdoms. कि उसके एरिया में अपने
मैम
regional
annexing
kingdoms
तो
बनाने
मैम
लगे. Annexing नहीं है,
मैम
उन्होंने
annexing
और
का
भी किया था.
मतलब क्या होता है?
Annexing means to winning.
Annexing
To winning.
मैम कब्जा करना.
Okay, हाँ, कब्जा कर लेना. So that was not कब्जा नहीं किया था उन्होंने. It is written they started asserting their authority. Means अपनी power वो दिखाने लगे. पहले वो डरते थे औरंगजेब से when Aurangzeb was there, but when he was no more, so then they started asserting their authority. So then they started dominating. They started proving that we are also powerful and establishing regional kingdoms. तो अपने उन्होंने regional kingdoms बनाने शुरू कर दिए, which earlier they were not able to do when Aurangzeb was there. Okay. Then what happened?
मैम मैं भी बोल दूं आंसर?
Yes, what?
मैं भी बोल दूं आंसर?
Which answer?
इसका ही.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, after Aurangzeb died, the Subedars and the Zamindars started asserting Aurangzeb's authority. They established their own kingdoms, expanded them, and many of them fought for the control of Delhi and other important
Yes.
provinces.
Yes. So they started fighting for Delhi because earlier Delhi was completely under Aurangzeb. So Delhi could no longer function as an effective center after Aurangzeb died. Okay, then
मैम
happened.
इसके नीचे मैम माही के नीचे फोन तो नहीं पड़ा हुआ?
नहीं पड़ा हुआ. चुप करो. East India Company comes east. So when
मैम
it,
देखो मैम कोई एविडेंस है? हम कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे. देखो
yes.
मैं ये माउस
बुक उठा,
पड़ा
बुक उठा,
लो.
बुक उठा.
कुछ नहीं है देखो.
टेबल तूने टेबल के नीचे चिपकाया होगा पक्का. मैं भी आगे मैं इसे दरवाजे के मैं वो धागा लगा के मैं पीछे लगा देता हूँ.
अच्छा, see, is he so what we say that tricky kind of person? Okay, when did East India Company acquired a charter from the ruler of England, Queen Elizabeth I? कब मिला था उनको? Okay, Manjot.
1600.
Yes, in 1600. All these lines are important, which I'm telling you. East India Company acquired a charter from the ruler of England, Queen Elizabeth I. Okay, who got the sole right to trade with the East? Very simple. Who got the sole right? Sole means only one organization who got the right to trade with the East. Arush, where are you flying? Sahaj.
मैम ईस्ट इंडिया
मैम
कंपनी.
जिसने दिया या जिसको मिला?
Who
मैम
got?
ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी.
What is the meaning of got? Got का मतलब क्या होता है? Got means मिला.
मिला.
Who got the sole
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay, so
मैम ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी.
East India Company.
got the right, and who gave the right?
मिलना.
With one gave the right. Okay, so okay. The company did not have to fear. What is mercantile?
मैम
Mercantile. Mahib, Nishka, Jannat, only 3. Yashpreet. Yes, it is written here in the book. Yes, what is
Ma'am, yes.
mercantile? Yes. Bolo, Yashpreet. Yes.
A business enterprise that makes profit primarily through trade, buying goods cheap and selling them at higher price.
Yes, so this is referred to the business enterprises, means the companies that makes profit primarily through trade, buying goods and selling them at buying the goods at the cheap price पे खरीदना, and then going back to their countries and then selling them at higher prices. So that is known as mercantile. Okay. Okay, who were the other, you can say, invaders, not the invaders, other companies who had already made contact link with Indians for trade?
Ma'am,
Yes, Sahaj.
ma'am, French,
Ma-
Dutch, Portuguese.
Ma'am,
French, Dutch, Portuguese. Okay. And who discovered the sea route to India? First sea route to
Ma'am.
India.
ma'am,
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 Mary
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Mishka, yes,
Ma'am.
Mishka.
And Vasco da Gama in 1498.
Yes, it is very important question from the general knowledge point of view also, and if you are preparing for IAS, IPS also, उसके लिए भी these things are very important. Okay, so Vasco da Gama in 1498. Okay, what were the problems with the companies? What competition did they have? क्या प्रॉब्लम थी उनको एक दूसरे से हुई? शांति से क्यों नहीं काम करते थे? Yes, Kanda Arush. Why have you written
Ma'am,
Kanda Arush? Why not Arush Kanda?
मैम मैं मीटिंग से पहले मैं हमेशा रीनेम करता हूँ। मैं अंदर आता हूँ मैं मीटिंग के, फिर मैं ऐसे ही हो जाता है। मैं बार बार मेरे को रीनेम नहीं होता मेरे से।
No, it is first name you should write. First name Arush, second name Kanda. Okay. Yes, what were the problems with the companies?
मैम they had competition for Indian goods.
Okay.
yes, they all wanted to buy the same goods.
Yes, that was the thing, that they all wanted to buy the same goods. सबको एक ही चीज खरीदनी थी. Obviously, that was the problem. ठीक है. So then, what were they interested in?
Ma'am, masale.
मसाले. कौन से मसाले?
मैम कॉटन
Ma'am, cotton, silk.
Ma'am, cinnamon,
हल्दी, चंदन,
spices,
cinnamon,
cinnamon,
Cardamom.
हल्दी, चंदन,
Pepper, cloves,
saffron.
हल्दी, चंदन।
What is haldi chandan? What is cinnamon?
मैम हल्दी, चंदन।
हल्दी चंदन. वो एक सोप में आता है ना, एक एड में हल्दी चंदन. Which soap is that? हल्दी चंदन soap.
मैम वीको टर्मरिक आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम।
मैम संतूर भी होता है.
मैं
हल्दी
वीको
और
टर्मरिक
चंदन के-
आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम।
हल्दी और चंदन की.
गुण समाये संतूर.
Yes, त्वचा को और निखारे संतूर संतूर. Okay, pepper, cloves, cardamom and
मैम
cinnamon.
सबसे ज्यादा चिपकने वाला साबुन।
अच्छा, that means you have used it. संतूर लगाता है वही आरुष कांडा.
मैंने एक बार लगाया, बहुत गंदा साबुन था मैम।
Which one?
मैम संतूर।
Santoor, that's why, no? That's the same thing. Okay, you have tried it. That's good. You should try all things. Okay, tell me what is cinnamon? Cinnamon कौन सा मसाला है भाई? Yes, Mishka. Yes, right.
इलायची.
अरे बाप रे. इलायची
लौंग होता है लौंग।
Ma'am, dalchini.
मैम
लौंग होता
दालचीनी.
है।
दालचीनी.
Cinnamon is dalchini, cardamom is elaichi,
इलायची.
मैं वो दोनों में कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ.
cloves are long. ठीक है, पेपर तो मिर्ची होती है. Okay, then this thing. So how did they attack each other? How did they block each other's ships? How do the companies block each other? क्या करते थे वो लोग?
मैम
Yes, Mahip. What?
Ma'am, they destroyed each other's ship and stopped them from taking the goods to their countries.
Yes, they sank each other's ships.
मैम they made forts। मैम they
Blockaded
constructed
routes
forts।
Ma'am, they fortified the settlements.
and
मैम
prevented
forts भी तो बनाए थे।
from moving with supplies of goods. Yes. So fortification was done. That was for the protection. But what did they do with other companies? They sank each other. एक दूसरे के ships को डुबाते रहते थे. Okay, उनके routes block करते थे, and then they prevented rival ships from moving with supplies of goods. मतलब उनको रोकते थे कैसे ना कैसे भी. So they used to create problems for them. Okay, then when did the first English factory set up, and where it was set up? Manjot.
Ma'am, on the river Hooghly in 1651.
And where is this river Hooghly? In which state?
मैम
They,
मैं बताऊं.
they entered from
मैम
which
वेस्ट
state?
बंगाल.
Very simple. They entered from West Bengal. West Bengal से enter किया था तो
मैम
obviously.
ये
Yes. So it was in Hooghly in 1651. And who were factors? Factors किसको बोलते थे? It is written on the second line. See. This was the base from which the company's traders, known at that time as factors. So who were factors?
The English trading men.
Companies traders. कि companies के जो traders थे उनको factors बोलते थे, जो trade में involve होते थे, the people who were involved in the trade. Company के लोग, those who were involved in the trade, those who used to come from England and then they were doing trade here. So those persons were known as factors, and from here they used to operate. Okay, and they had made offices. वहाँ पे उन्होंने offices बना लिए, and then they began fortification. कब start की थी इन्होंने? They began building a fort around the settlement. So it was by 1696. Okay. So you can imagine how many years back we are talking about ना, कितने साल पहले की बात कर रहे हैं हम. This is to the 2021 चल रहा है अभी, and we are talking about 1600, 1696. How many years back?